Hi, I'm Apurvi and today we are baking Eggless Blueberry Pecan Baked Cheesecake here spoiled by Coco. Let's begin. First, we'll make the base for a cheesecake. For that, I'm using Glucose Biscuit. Add some pecan nuts, brown sugar, melted butter. I'm using unsalted. Grind to a powder. Here I'm using a 5-inch cake tin with removable base so that it becomes easier to demold later. Transfer the crumbly biscuit pecan mixture to the tin and using a flat surface utensil, spread and press the mixture to form a base. Now I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely. In the meanwhile, let us make blueberry compote. I'm using fresh blueberry. Add castor sugar, cornflour and lemon juice. Cook on a low flame till soft and mushy. Press the blueberries to mash them. A compote is ready, let it cool down. Now let us make the cheesecake filling. In a bowl, take room temperature cream cheese. Add icing or powdered sugar, cornflour. Mix it. Add cream, condensed milk, vanilla extract, lemon juice. Mix them all together till no lumps are there. If there are still lumps, you can sieve it to remove them. Now for the assembly, spread a layer of cool blueberry compote. Then pour over the cheesecake mixture. Smooth it out for even layer. Add drops of blueberry compote and using a skewer or pointy spatula, swirl it around to create a pattern. Give my video a like, subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified of my new recipes upload. Now for baking, bake it in a water bath. For that, here I have 2 tins and I'll place my cheesecake tin in the smaller pan. Pour hot water in the larger pan slowly and carefully, such that not a single drop of water comes in contact with the cheesecake. Bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 22 to 26 minutes. Baking in water bath ensures that cheesecake bake evenly and the edges don't bake first. The sign for baked cheesecake is that it should jiggle from the center when you shake it while the edges remain set. Now, very important step, if you do not want a sunken center, then put it back in the oven and switch it off. But do not close the oven door completely. Leave a gap so that the cheesecake cools slowly. This way, there will be no sudden temperature shock and your cheesecake will not sink from the center. After about an hour, remove it from the oven and keep in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours or overnight to let it set. Next day for demolding, I'll first run a knife along the edges, then carefully demold it. Additional tip for presentation and smoother edges, dip your palette knife in hot water, wipe it on a napkin, then run it along the edges to smooth it out. Our eggless blueberry pecan baked cheesecake is ready. See, there is no sunken center. I have garnished it with some fresh blueberries and caramelized pecan nuts. You can find the recipe of how to make caramelized nuts on my channel. The link is in the description box below. Let us slice our cheesecake. See how beautiful and delicious it looks with the blueberry compote oozing in the center between pecan base and the creamy eggless cheesecake. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do try this at home. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.